Vlogmas. So in this video, we're gonna go see Christmas lights. And then we're gonna come back and make some Christmas desserts.
You got a full charge.
I know, I just charged.
And we in a car with a charger. But go off.
I mean, the charger didn't no good if you get to the main light. You can't see the main lights because, you know.
Babe.
Oh, my battery lasts 30 minutes?
Okay.
I said, I made 30-minute videos. My battery lasts.
Well, right now you filming a video with complaining about your battery.
Are you talking?
Let me know if you see a sign that says no filming. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, that's pretty.
Look at my cars. Trucks and cars. Motorcycles.
Oh, that's cool.
Construction workers, dump trucks.
Is that Santa on a motorcycle?
Planes, travel trailers, truck and travel.
What's the travel? Oh, that's cute.
They got a moving van right now.
That's an ambulance. Oh, they got the pow pow.
It took a minute to find this stuff though. That's a lot of displays.
Yeah. Wonderful time of the year. It's cute.
That one's cute.
Yeah, he's throwing reindeer.
Yeah.
That's cute. Is he shoveling? What he shoveling? This elf right here.
And now fire.
Oh, I don't. My mind went nasty. Oh, look at that wine. Those are wagons, right? Nope, I'm wrong. What are that? Oh, horsey. Yeah, it's a train. I said a wagon. I said, oh yeah, like I was right. It's a wagon. Oh, look at the elf. Something factory. Love factory. Oh, did your elf make a present with love?
Toy factory.
Oh damn. Child, I don't want to see the electric bell. Woo!
That one.
Sky high.
You hear all them generators?
Oh, it's chilly. No. It's past chilly. It's cold. It's okay. It's testing my gangster, but I'm gonna keep the window closed so I can get a good picture. Oh, that's super cute. I need that on my front lawn immediately. You see the Santa workshop? That's super cute. Come on now. That is super cute. Oh, hi Santa. My gangsta ain't strong enough. It's cold. I gotta roll this window up. Oh, but wait, what's that? That's cute. Oh, that's big. That's super cute. All right now. Oh, is that it? I want my money back.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, we didn't pay for this. Is the projector on the side of the house. And then where everybody getting this snowflake from in the window? That was not too shabby. Is that a horse? What the horse got to do with Christmas? Shut. You know what? I don't mind my business. I don't want to do. Okay, that's a pretty little big reindeer. Probably look. Oh, what's that? He look like an airport with the with the driveway outline. Oh God, I'm wrong for that. I'm sorry, Jesus. Okay. Oh my hair. Okay, inflatables. Mr. FedEx, thank you. Okay, that's cool. That's cool. You know, after leaving the light show, I'm just underwhelmed. I'm just underwhelmed here. Look like I'm a Christmas light expert. I'm just not feeling any creativity. Sir, you going too fast. So how am I supposed to see? Did they copy off my lights? They can't have nothing here. Because I haven't seen a house yet that deserves a candy cane, let alone a gift card. Oh, what's this coming up? Let me see. Exactly. I mean, okay. We can keep driving. That's just. No, what's this? Okay, we got some stickers. Whatever. Okay, here we go. What's this with the blue?
Minimum.
Oh my God. Okay. Oh, child, they just made their lights blue. They ain't got nothing else. Oh, yeah. Okay. I came out in the cold for this. Now this is the showstopper. And this is right across the street. He does such a great job. This is my friend neighbor's house. My friend / neighbor. And she's like right across the street. Her husband shows up and shows out every year. Get it, the snowman, get it, the snowman. Oh,
That's a gingerbread cookie.
It's a gingerbread, my bad. Why you gotta call sister out? Oh damn, that damn sure is a gingerbread. Okay, that is super cute. He has it sync to music and look at that. That man know he be showing out. That is awesome. Yeah. But I think he does it for the kids. Look at that. All right now. Is that the Grinch? Why is that my first time seeing that? And they're literally across the street. I gotta stop going to bed so damn early. I think I've been underwhelmed enough. I'm ready to go.
We're gonna make Christmas desserts, or at least you gonna keep me company while I make them. Okay, so I want to try, we in the Christmas spirit. So I want to try to make red velvet cupcakes. So I've never used this before. It is the Elmaze cake mix, red cake mix. So let's see how this goes. I mean, it looks like any other cake mix. You need 2 eggs, a cup of water, and you bake. Let's get into it. Child's about to get ready. So let me read these instructions. Okay. Preheat the oven to 350. I can do that. I can do that. I just told y'all I've never made this cake before, and I'm just about to go off without reading anything. Not a line in the instructions. Okay, preheat the oven. Grease the sides of bottom pan. Parchment paper, but I'm gonna make cupcakes, so I have cupcake thingies. And then combine cake mix, egg, and water. Oh, see? I was ready. I was ready. I guess if you use one cake mix, you use them all. I don't know. Let me not say that, then down the line and get complicated. All right. So cake mix. 2 eggs. How much? 1 cup of water. Okay. So let me just go ahead and get my cup of water out the way. How much water? I was about to say, the fridge is disrespectful. Boom. Is that a cup? A little bit more cup than puffing. A little bit more. Cup of water. And not 1 but 2 eggs. It's not getting thickums. Oh, okay. I started to panic. I didn't see it thickening up. Well, it's a pretty red. But I don't know. Right now, it looks more like a Valentine's Day red than a Christmas red. Yes, it's a difference. Before you even ask me. I'm too lazy to get the electric mixer out. Oh no, don't judge me. Don't judge me. Alright, we're in the Christmas spirit. Again though, they look more like Valentine's Day. I swore I was aiming for Christmas. Alright, we're gonna use them now. Let's stick these in the oven for 19 minutes. I like to stick the spoon in hot water or the spatula, so then that way it makes spreading the icing easier. Okay, people, not too shabby. They worked out. Looks like I'm not gonna need the backup cake. Worked out pretty good. Next, we're gonna do the easiest dessert recipe on the planet. You literally just need 3 ingredients. You need Oreos, a container of Cool Whip, and an Oreo pie. Now, if you got the time, you can make your own Oreo pie out of the Oreos, but ain't nobody got time for that. So I ain't do the store-bought pie. Today.
I don't know how you got battery floor space up in your phone.
Well, because after I don't think, and it's recording too. I put the container. I put the container. The fucking.
Why you got a gap in your head?
Man, why are you scraping the bottom of the container?
Now y'all ain't paying me yet.
Right. Oh God, I can't. Okay. Take the Oreos. Take about 6 Oreos. Crush them up and throw them in your whipped cream. Okay. Make sure your hands clean, because you got to get all up in these cookies. Crush them up. Dump them in there. Boom. And that's your filling. Now you gotta mix it up. Let me wash my hands though. Okay. So we're just gonna mix that in. Alright. Add cookies as you need to. But don't go into a diabetic coma, okay, people? I'm gonna just add 2 more for my spirit to sit right. Look how easy this is. Just take your filling and you just dump it in your Oreo pie. Okay. Make sure you scrape the bottom, get all that good, special Cool Whip.
All white. I don't see no black spots.
Let's try to get these people in a diabetic coma. I think we should add more cookies. I don't think we need more cookies.
Yeah, that's fine.
Because remember, I'm gonna decorate it with cookies.
Some crumbs on top.
Yeah. Heidi, come on, dude. Come on, dude. Come on, dude. Spread it out. Try to make it as.
Heidi said, I'm making a movie. I can't be outside.
Heidi, get your ass out. I'm sorry. I swear to God, she don't be in here. I don't know. Get your ass out the work. Heidi, get
Now.
out the kitchen.
Let's go.
Get out the kitchen.
Let's go upstairs. Upstairs.
They showing out. They showing out.
Come on. I ain't said
You gotta go upstairs.
I ain't said take a pause.
So, spread it out as neatly as you can. All right. Pause though. I need some inspiration.
Look at this. This is inspiration. Crushing hard.
Well, actually, no, you're right. So, take a couple of Oreos, put them in a little sandwich bag, crush them up as small as you can. You know, put a little sprinkle on it. Put a little sprinkle on it. You know, we decorating now. We decorating. Try not to get heavy-handed, because then you're gonna mess it up. It's just gonna look like a blob of cookie crumbs. Okay. Boom. I'm gonna eat the rest. Don't judge me. Okay, that's how it looks so far. All right, but we not done. We not done. Or are we done? I ain't trying to give up my Oreos. Okay, no, we not. All right. So now, you know, just try to make it look cute. Take them. Don't want to do it like this? Yes, I do. That's cute. All right. Yeah, that's cute. We're going to do that. Okay. I feel like an artist. All right, boom. I think that's cute. Or it's going to be cute. How about that? All right, there you go. Easiest dessert on the planet. Not only is it easy, it's delicious. Okay guys, that is it. I gotta go. I gotta clean up my mess, ring up my household. Let me know if you tried these recipes. Let me know how you like them. And guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you good people tomorrow. Okay, bye.